Blue Diamond has announced plans to wind down operations at its plant in Sacramento, California, cutting some 600 jobs in the process. The company says it was founded in 1910 to, quote, ensure the long-term success of small, multi-generational almond farmers and their families in California. To keep that mission on track, the company must shutter its plant in midtown Sacramento, transferring most manufacturing operations from its 53-acre site to facilities in Turlock and Salida, California. While the company's legacy spans more than a century, Kai Bachman, president and CEO of Blue Diamond Growers, says the challenges of running a plant from these historical buildings has become too costly and inefficient. Bachman said, quote, streamlining our manufacturing plants is the right business move to further strengthen our market-leading position and bring increased value to our grower members. On June 6, 2025, Bachman met with employees at the Sacramento plant to break the news. The transition will begin later this year when the company cuts roughly 10% of the plant employees. The remaining cuts will occur in phased reductions over the next 18 to 24 months. Bachman added, quote, even though most employees will not leave this year, we want to be transparent and tell our people as soon as possible. We are committed to putting in the energy, time, and resources to help our impacted team members. The company is providing incentives for workers to stay during the transition and will offer severance and outplacement services for laid-off employees. Some workers will have a chance to relocate to other Blue Diamond locations. Blue Diamond has some 1,400 employees spread throughout the processing plants and receiving stations. The company will remain based in Sacramento. Now the cooperative is looking for opportunities from prospective investors who may be interested in purchasing the large site near downtown Sacramento. Blue Diamond Growers is a 115-year-old almond cooperative that represents some 3,000 almond growers in California. The company is credited with bringing the benefits of big almond to the world. We reached out to Blue Diamond for more information, but the company did not immediately respond to our request for comment. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.